Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and an easy to follow tutorial on Pinterest. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover your Pinterest account. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the browser on a device and go to help.pinterest.com/en/contact. Once you get to the Help Center, scroll down and tap Appeals. On the drop-down menu, tap Appeal Account Suspension and tap Continue. On the second step, fill in your details. Enter your first and last name, your username, and your email address. Once you do that, confirm that you have access to this email. Tap Yes and tap Continue. Now, for the third step, add a subject and description. It should describe your problem briefly. For the subject, type in Account Suspended. And for the description, type My Pinterest account was suspended without a valid reason, so please recover my account. Thank you. Once you are done, tap Continue. Next, choose the device and browser that you are using and tap Continue. For the final step, take a screenshot or video of the problem you are facing. Make sure that the entire screen is covered. The account suspension pop-up should be clearly visible as well. Once you take the screenshot, upload it and tap Continue. Finally, tap Submit and wait for a response. You will get an email within 24 hours. And that's how you recover your Pinterest account. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.